So, in this video I'm going to be quickly showing off what I've got done in the last 2 days. I've finished off making the first spell for each of the trees, and then Arcane I already have 2 for. I've also modelled a few new things, like modelled the lamp and this weapon rack, which I can now rest the sword on, and I can also knock it off if I want to. Anyway. And it still works like normal. So spell-wise, I'm going to quickly just unlock all the spells and just show them all off individually in this one video. I think I have enough room for them all. So, first of all, we got obviously sword, whatever. Then I have the fire blast, which is just a single hit damage, single hit damage projectile. Then I have ice, which obviously I've not made any textures for or anything, but it does lower damage than fire blast, and it's slow, so as you can see, slowed, and it's back to normal, slowed, back to normal. 1 second, here I have Thorns, which is when I've used it for the next 6 seconds, enemies take damage when they attack me. So it's like a buff. And also I've added cooldowns on the hotbar at the bottom, so now you can see spell cooldowns, which is very helpful. Now here I have Gust, which is a new one. It's a AoE around the character, and it does low damage and it blasts stuff away. So, and at the moment I can blast stuff into the water, which is pretty cool. I've got some problems with nav meshing and enemies like teleporting back on if they've slipped off. I know why that's a problem, I just don't know how to fix it yet, but anyway. Obviously I've got Arcane Missiles, which was in the last video, which is my favourite ability I've made, to be honest. I just love how it works. Oops, I just jumped on that. It's so satisfying. Here I have obviously Teleport. I didn't do that well, I was running into a wall. Now I've got 2 new spells. I got the Light and Dark spell. So the Light spell, if I click on an enemy, it does damage, like that. I mean, I'll add cool particles and animations later, but it works. So left click does instant damage like that. And then if I shift left click, it heals me, so I'm just going to take some damage. So if I shift left click, it heals for the same amount it would do damage. So it's like use it for one or the other. I'm going to obviously nerf that because it's a bit overpowered right now. And then for Dark, I've got Corruption, which is a damage over time. So I click on him, and then his health goes down, 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 down. It does it for 6 ticks, so that's not quite going to kill. But, do it again. Plop, and he's going to die. So I've got all these starting spells made for all the trees. And I can't wait to make the rest. I mean, I'm going to be making 84 spells, and I've already made, how many? Well, 1 for each class, and then I've got 2 for Arcane, so I've made 8. Ugh, so there's going to be 76 more spells to make. It's going to take a long time, but I mean, it'll be worth it in the end when I have a full working spell system, and I'm looking forward to it. So, stick around, and thank you for watching.